Welcome to the Partner Quick Start Guide. In this video, we'll show you how to get started and manage your partner profile and projects. First, navigate to the partner login page. You can visit the website directly by typing partner.visiblenetworklabs.com or click the login button located on the top right corner of each VNL website page. Enter the email address you registered with and your password. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot My Password link to recover and reset it. Once logged in, you'll be brought to the partner homepage. If you're new to the platform, you'll see two free trial demo options at the top. On the left, you can explore a practice project and try adding members and creating a survey. On the right, you can use sample data to try the network mapping and visualization features. You can also check this box to hide these options in the future. To access and manage your partner projects, scroll down on your homepage to where you see My Projects. Click each individual project to open it up in a new page, or click the arrow on the side to open up project subtasks like the Manager for Members, Survey Builder, or your Network Analyzer. To add a new project, you're first going to need to purchase an appropriate package. Then, click the New Project button on the right side of the screen. Choose the appropriate project type, enter in your information, and click Save. Finally, to access and manage your partner account profile, click Account in the top right corner of the screen and then Account Settings. On this page, you can manage details like your password and email address, view your projects and subscription information, and purchase additional projects. To return to your homepage, click the partner logo on the top left corner of the screen. In the next video, we'll talk more about the Network Member Manager and show you how to add or edit network members to your partner project.